The Open Compute project's OpenRack version 3 defines a universal input power connector designed to increase installation efficiency and unlock power connectors from regional requirements, allowing for a global design. Positronic OCP ORV3 universal AC input connectors are designed for use in all aspects of power management, including the power shelf and server power connections. The connector combines optimal performance with space savings for PCB mount and wired connections in space-constrained power shelves or servers. The reversible 7-pin connector can be used with star, delta, and single-phase connections. Female crimp connectors include a back shell, locking latch, and shrouded contacts for safety. Male PCB connectors have threaded inserts for improved structural integrity, recessed contacts for safety, and machined right-angle PCB contacts. Male connectors are also available for use with crimp contacts. Additionally, Positronic offers AC whip cable assemblies for turnkey implementation.